What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you what my personal favorite item to sell is over on eBay. Now this is an item you've probably seen, you probably walked past these hundreds, maybe thousands of times, but you guys are not picking them up as much as you should be. So what are the items? That's probably what you're wondering. Now before I get to that, I first just want to say there are plenty of items that you can find at garage sales, thrift stores, flea markets, even go and buy it wholesale and flip it onto eBay and make money. But most people are not. Why? I have no clue. But my personal favorite item that I absolutely love to sell on eBay is little handheld electronics, little games like this, Mastermind, Deal or No Deal. What's this one? Blackjack. These are just little handheld games that cost maybe $1 to $2 max to buy, and they sell for $10 to $30, $40, depending on which ones you get, what year, how good the condition is, and who makes them, right? So what do I want to show you today? Well, I want to show you that number one, these items do sell. Doesn't matter which games you get, you can sell them. Now, are you going to make a bunch of money? Maybe, maybe not. Are you going to make a little bit? Yes. Guarantee you're going to make a little bit of money almost every single time. So, right now we're going to hop in the computer. I'm going to show you exactly what these items are selling for over on eBay and how much money you can make. Alright guys, so here we are on eBay. Let me show you what I picked up. This is just from this morning, right? Now, a lot of these items I have sold multiple times in the past because a lot of these items are things that you find over and over again. For example, this Leapster 2, not the Toy Story edition, especially the Toy Story 3 edition, but the Leapster 2, find it all the time, all right? So here's the Leapster 2 Toy Story edition, Toy Story 3 edition. It does work. It doesn't come with the cable to charge it, and it doesn't come with the little stick that goes inside of it, okay? You can kind of see where the string is right there. You can see it, okay? This one right here, for this edition, okay? For the purple or the kind of bluish purple edition, this one, my guess is it's going to sell for about 15 bucks, okay? Now, let me show you something else. So this is the one I have right here. This one with these 9 games sold for $31.50, okay? This one's a different edition. There's a Toy Story 3 game. Game I have in here is Go Diego Go Animal Rescuer, okay? So I just packaged that together. This one right here sold for $25.97. It does come with the little pen thing, and it has the case. I don't have the case, do not have the pen. I may purchase the pen, but this is what I should get, right? So this is just the eBay fee calculator. So if I sold this for $15.95, didn't charge anything for shipping, it would probably cost me about $5.75 to ship. The item cost me $1.50, and I would end up making $6.35. Again, it's not gonna make me a millionaire by selling a few of these, but this is a consistent item I can buy and sell online. So that's why I do it. Here's the next item. This is Sudoku Illuminated. Okay? This one right here, it's right here. This one sold for $8.99 plus $3.50 shipping. This one only cost me, I think, 70 cents. I put something else. I put 99 cents, but it cost me 70 cents looking at the sticker on the back. Okay? So this one right here. Used sold for $8.99, $3.50 shipping. Let's see, let's find another one, $9.99, so 10 bucks. This one does come with the little stick, and it does work, okay? Everything on this works, okay, for $11.50. So my guess is I should be able to at least get $11.50 for it, right? Because this sold on June 10th. That was 2 days ago. So what did I say right here? $11.50. Let's say I only sell it for $10.99. Doesn't cost me anything to ship. $3, or I didn't charge anything to ship. $3.50 is what it cost me to ship it. Roughly cost me 99 cents, and I make $4.79 profit off this one item, right? Another easy to find item that sells almost every single time. Here's another item, Scrabble Express, okay? And it does come with the little back panel thing. See it right there? Kind of slides up and down, okay? So it does work. I have tested it. Have taken out the batteries and tried new ones. Everything works perfect. So this right here, this is a used condition. Doesn't come with a case. Doesn't come in packaging. Look here, $26.95. This one sold for $5.99. That was probably an incredible deal. This one 12 bucks. Let's see, 8.40, 10.75. So these are selling, all right? Here's what I think I could get. If I sold it for $12, okay, I paid $1 for it, paid 99 cents for it, but $3.75 is what it's going to cost to ship. This is if I send it all the way across to the East Coast. Being that I live over on the West Coast, I should be able to make $5.40 off this one item. Being that it only cost me $1 and I'm selling it for $12, okay? That's where you're making money, all right? So just these 3 items right now, $5.40 for, let's say that's 10 bucks I've already made, and then $16.50 roughly, okay? $16.50 roughly off 3 items, okay? Let's go to the next item. Next item right here is the Solitaire Lighted, okay? This is the lit one, okay? With the little flip up thing, and it works, okay? This one right here, again, cost me, I think like $1, $1.50, something like that, okay? I'll see on the next one exactly what it costs. But this one right here, $12.89, is that one, $12.95, $13.43, okay? Sold 2 days ago. This one right here, 13 bucks, $13.99, again, sold 2 days ago. This is why these are my favorite items. If I can sell this for $12.85, which I think I could probably even get more out of it, I didn't charge anything to the buyer to ship it. I have to pay $3.60 roughly, okay, based on the weight of this product, and it cost me $1, okay, I think 99 cents, okay? So I'd make $6.29. So on all 4 of these items that I have right here, all 4, I'm going to make about $21 to $22. That's an average of $5 profit on every single item. This item right here, to list it and to take pictures, to do the listing, and to package it up, is probably going to take me a total of maybe 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so that means I'd make $1 per minute off every one of these items, right? $1 per minute. If I work for an hour, that's 60 minutes, I'd make 60 bucks. This is why this is one of my favorite things to sell on eBay, is because I can walk into any thrift store, any garage sale, any yard sale. I walk into any garage, okay, with my friends, families, my own, pick up one of these items that I find, I could flip it and make some money. That's why I absolutely love this item. Alright guys, if you're ready to get out there, start crushing it, start making some money, then let's get going. Let's start making that money. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.